Is the Vivo Y300 GT the most underrated power-packed phone of 2025? The Vivo Y300 GT has that kind of design. Sharp, confident, no unnecessary flair. Just clean lines and a finish that catches the light without trying too hard. You pick it up and immediately notice how light it feels for something carrying this much power. 212 grams. Not too heavy, not too light. Just right. Right out of the box, this thing feels solid. It's got a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a crazy 144 Hz refresh rate and with a peak brightness of 5,500 nits. Yes, your screen stays visible even under direct sunlight. It doesn't just look good, it feels responsive and fluid, especially while scrolling or gaming. Now, about that performance, MediaTek's Dimensity 8400 is no joke. Whether you're multitasking, editing photos, or casually gaming, this phone doesn't slow down. Apps load fast. Switching between them feels snappy, and you won't notice any annoying lags. For the price it's asking, that kind of fluidity is rare. Battery life is where it gets real interesting. We're talking about a massive 7,620 milliamp hour battery. Most phones today still hover around 5,000. Here's the thing, this battery goes all day and then some. And when it does need juice, that 90-watt charger gets you back to 100% in just under an hour. No need to panic if you forgot to plug it in overnight. Camera-wise, it's got a solid setup. A 50-megapixel main camera with OIS gets the job done for daily shots. In good lighting, the details are sharp, colors are natural, and you won't need 10 different modes to get a good picture. Portraits come out clean, and low light isn't bad either. It's not a flagship-level sensor, but it's definitely not basic either. Selfies? You're looking at a 16-megapixel front camera, good enough for video calls and social media, and it even has gyro stabilization for steady clips. Sound is another plus here. Stereo speakers mean better audio separation, and even though there's no headphone jack, the sound coming out of the phone is rich and punchy. Watching videos or gaming with audio, no complaints. Connectivity is fully stacked. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, 5G support, GPS with every major satellite system, and even an infrared port. That's rare these days, and for folks who love universal remote control apps, it's a handy little bonus. Build quality? It's got an IP65 rating, which means it handles dust and low-pressure water like a champ. It's not for pool parties, but it's definitely safe from a rainy day or a splash near the sink. And here's your peak moment. When you put everything together, flagship-level display, a massive battery with fast charging, smooth performance, stereo speakers, and a clean design, all at just around 250 euros. That's a solid punch for the price. So what's the catch? There's no micro SD card slot or headphone jack, which might be a deal breaker for a few, but with 256 gigabytes or even 512 gigabytes storage on board, most users won't even notice. In short, the Vivo Y300 GT is one of those phones that doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It delivers where it matters and skips the fluff. For those who want real value with real power, it's absolutely worth a look. If you're thinking of a phone that lasts long, performs well, and doesn't drain your wallet, the Y300 GT might just be your next pick. What do you think? Worth the hype or just another spec-heavy drop? Let me know your thoughts.